Good day to all employers. My name is Marilyn Cadasio. I'm 35 years old. I'm married. I have 4 children aged 18, 15, 10, and 7 years old. I'm a high school graduate and I'm a Roman Catholic. I have 2 years experience here in the Philippines. As a helper, I serve family of 4, 2 kids and 2 adults. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of 2 kids, household chores, laundry, ironing, cooking, and marketing. My second experience is in Hong Kong. 8 months in Hong Kong, I serve family of 4, 1 baby, 1 kid, and 2 adults. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of baby, taking care of kids, house cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and marketing. To all employers, Ma'am Sir, I'm a hardworking person, trustworthy, loving, and caring. To all employers, Ma'am Sir, if you give me a chance to work with your family, I promise I will do my best, I will finish my contract, and I will love your family as my own. Thank you and God bless.